Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Dear students, I'm sure you are enjoying maths lecture. Students, are you remember the first lecture? I told you a story of animals army. We will repeat it again, and with the help of page 4, we will solve question on page 6. Now, first open page 4 and read the attendance of animals army and remember the position of each animal, because then we will write their position on page 6. Look here. Once the king of North Jungle planned to visit the South Jungle with his whole army. He was invited by the king of South Jungle, so he was taking attendance of his animal force. Lion was the first. Now look, the first animal is lion. Lion is the first. Monkey is on second position. Hippopotamus is on third position. What? Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is on third position. Giraffe is on fourth position. Giraffe is on fourth position. Tiger. Tiger is on fifth position. Alligator is on sixth position. Leopard is on seventh position. Rabbit is on eighth position. Stag is on ninth position. Bear is on 10th position. Elephant is on 11th position. Ostrich is on 12th position. Camel is on 13th position. Mouse is on 14th position. Tortoise is on 15th position. Horse is on 16th position. Deer is on 17th position. Fox is on 18th position. Peacock is on 19th position, and zebra is on 20th position. What? 20th position. Okay students, now it's the time that you will fill the blanks on page 6. So, look at the picture of rabbit. Which position of rabbit is? Are you remember? Yes, 8th. It's already given to you. Look, the lion. Lion is on which one position? Yes, lion is on first position. Which one? First. Look at ostrich. Look at ostrich. Which position is of ostrich? Yes, it is on 12th position. Which one? 12th position. Look at deer. Which one position deer has? It is on 17th position. What? 17th position. Look at the fox. Look at the fox. Fox has 18th position. Which one position? 18th position. Now, are you remember the position of horse? Yes, horse has 16th position. Which one position? 16th. Now, come to the next. An alligator. Alligator has 6th position. It is on 6th position. Look another. Camel. Camel. Camel is on 13th position. 13th position. Do you remember the position of giraffe? Yes. Giraffe is on 4th position. Tiger. Tiger is on 5th position. Zebra. Zebra is on 20th position. Yes, 20th position. Bear. Bear is on 10th position. Tortoise. Tortoise is on 15th position. 15th position. Look at the peacock. Peacock is on 19th position. Peacock is on 19th position. And look at the smiley monkey. Monkey is on 2nd position. Look at the leopard. Leopard is on 7th position. Now look to hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is on 3rd position. Elephant is on 11th position. Stag is on 9th position. And a happy mouse. Are you looking? A mouse? It's looking too happy. It is on 14th position. Okay, students, let's come to the board. Look at the board. Look at the colorful animals pictures. Okay, students, check all blanks, and with the help of board, you can correct your book's mistakes. I am repeating again. Look, the first one, rabbit. It's rabbit. Rabbit is on 8th position. Look at lion. It's on 1st. Ostrich, 12th. deer 17th, fox 18th, horse 16th, alligator 6th, camel 13th, giraffe 4th, tiger 5th, zebra 20th, bear 10th, tortoise 15th, peacock 19th, monkey 2nd, leopard 7th, hippopotamus 3rd, elephant 11th, stag 9th, and mouse is on 14th position. Now students, it's a time of homework. The homework is learn spellings from 1st to 20th and you can write it in rough copy also. Thank you.